All right, Tim, so I got another gun. I alleviated the pressure, took that other gun off. I know that gun is breathing well. I know the hose is good. Let's try it again. Start with opening the water. All right. Give it a few seconds to fill her up. Look at that. That's already a good sign. That water pouring out. So all I gotta do is turn her on. That is awesome. That is really good. That's really good. I like it. I'm gonna turn this water off. It's like a dream. To me, it's like a dream. Let's relieve this pressure. Great. I think we're good. Tim, I'm gonna send this to you now. You should be a happy camper.